Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie, and in this video I will show you how to use Shopify native bundles and what are the advantages and disadvantages. On our store, we are selling bundles or multi-packs for quite some time, but we have been always thinking whether we should offer it as a proper bundles or whether we should use a custom SKUs. So until recently, we have been using this approach, which is a custom SKU. So it's basically a product created from scratch, and there is no connection to child products, aka the products that are part of the bundle. And if I add the product to cart, it looks like this, and it's actually not clear what exactly the starter pack includes. So customer need to remember it from the product page. So we installed the Shopify Bundles app, which is free as any Shopify app. The reviews are very bad, 2.7, that sounds horrible, but I will show you that you can still use it without any issues. And using the app, you will actually create a bundle. So we took the same product and we inserted all the child products. So that means 3 pack of crackers and 3 spices. You can also select which product variants are actually part of the bundle. So in our case, 500 grams are in the bundle. If it would be 1 kilo, I would just change it like this. It's very simple. And then you just save it. And then in the product catalog, you see this is the original product, the custom SKU, and this is the bundle. So it looks identical. The only thing is here, it says bundle. And when you click on the product, you see the bundled products. And then the rest is the same as with another product. So it has the same settings, tags, price, inventory, and so on. The advantage is that it now automatically tracks inventory of all products that are part of the bundle. So if any of these products will go out of stock, the bundle will become out of stock as well, which is great because previously we had to constantly monitor the inventory, changing the contents of the bundles and so on. And it was quite a mess, to be honest. And when I buy the bundle, so the product page is identical. There is no way to tell this is a bundle. And when customer got into the checkout, the bundle looks like this. So you can actually see which items are actually part of it, which is awesome because it shows much better value than the original product, which only looked like this. When customer purchases the bundle, in the order, you will see the exact products. You won't see the bundle itself, which helps with the pick lists. And it's just easier to look at the order items, and you don't need to remember which products are actually part of the starter pack. You just see them listed here. So that really helps. And in the order confirmation email, customer sees this. So again, all products are listed, and there's a note that this is included in the starter pack. What is a slight disadvantage here is that in the checkout, the customer see the name starter pack or the bundle, and then the items. While in the order confirmation email, there's no mention of the name of the bundle product. It just says here, it's a part of the starter pack. And same kind of disadvantage regarding analytics. Besides this note here, there is actually no way to tell that these products were sold through the bundle. Even if you open the order JSON, there's kind of no note about bundle or that this is part of the bundle. The only way you can actually find it out later is using the Shopify GraphQL. There are some parameters that help you identify it. And that's basically it. So to summarize the advantages and disadvantages. So the first one, bundles are great to help you manage the inventory because they allow you to track all the items inside the bundle separately. And second advantage is that the customers see better value because the bundle is explained inside the checkout visually, and that really helps to kind of drive the conversion. The disadvantage is that once the order is finished, the bundle is kind of lost. So there is no starter pack here and neither in the order confirmation email. Same goes with the analytics. So even if you would go to orders and filter by products and you would filter the starter pack, it wouldn't actually find this order because there is no connection. And third disadvantage is that the analytics are actually not right. So what you see here, these numbers of orders and sales, they also include the child products, not only the bundles. But besides that, the app is free. It's completely native way to create bundles, and it may save you a lot of time and hassle. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks much for watching. And if you'd like to stay on top of Shopify, please subscribe to our channel.